Izinyawo zami ngithatha ungibeke kulezi yantaba ezweni lamakhosi. Finyeza imango iweza uthukela nempudane. Ngibeke emathafeni ahlaza kwelakithi empangeni kwantaba zikhala amanzi. Bude buduze nomfulakazi umlalazi le yamhlambe emihle exebezela kwelingafela nkonyana. Ke ngibe sekhaya emabaleni la ngafunda khona intobeko nothando. Thina sakhelene inhlonipho sikhule ngayo makhelwana abantu abasekhaya. Kanti ekhaya ngishisa kwazisama unosishado wangifundisa ukuvuka kusempondo zankomo. Ethi mzukulu vuka kusila yikho inkomo yobuthongo. Yigeje emhlane siphilele emasimini kusalela ungqoqwane. Balala uqayimbana abaphula libenyathi. Sibuye sipumbe nangodongo. Ngeza amawuba sibuya sibetha amageke umlozo ohamba nakutoda amaphimbo ezintokazi. Umumzili lomnando umuka negazi. Zinqunywa amakhanda ziyekwe zijile zinombe zakithi emakhaya. Lena Ingwebu Media shendele emumva la inkaba yakho yagqitshwa khona mntasekhaya.
Hi guys, this is your channel Ingwebu Media. Once again, we are here. It's your dose of encouragement whether you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or you just need a little pushover. This is us, your podcast. It's where dreamers become doers. So voila, we are in the launch of Umhlatsuze Sunset Fest in King Cetshwayo. Keep listening and watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Then you'll catch me on the flip side.
Sesizocela ke manje usibonga. Njangase eze ngaphambili. Akthoni. Usibonga Njangase uzophambili to speak on behalf of the King Cetshwayo, the district municipality. Please give him a round of applause.
Thank you, Program Director. Greetings to you. In respect of time, we will stand on the protocol which was observed as introduced with Bonga Njangase, representing King Cetshwayo. Well, ours is very few. Appreciated the opportunity, Enizanayo Facebook and the entire team. Siyabonga ithuba elilethayo emphakathini wakithi. I'm very interested to learn that kunama local artists. Some politicians, they used to say there is nothing for the locals without the locals. So ukuthi sikhuluma izinto zama locals nama locals akhona la namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu lelo thuba. I'm very interested in when is the safety kade bekhuluma. Is safety, it goes a long way. Isuku ngakhuluma ngamaphoyisa kuphela on the venue. The safety yama consumers or your clients asuke bezoza kwi-event iqala ngaphandle nangaphakathi kwe-event and after sebebuyele emakhaya. If you happen to attend ama-event amakhulu anjengo-Dali July, you will learn to know ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi the event organizers, they partner with ama-local Ubers or amaphela to sing the local language ya township. Because we have seen last weekend the number of cases abantu ababanjiwe besemgwaqeni has been very high. I think we marked a number of 84 to say, still far behind in Newcastle, which marked 12. So, but as Japanese lezo number, and we don't want to see it happening on December 7th. So we appreciate what money I engage with abantu abakhona, so that umuntu osuka kude akwazi ukufaka imoto yakhe endlini and take Uber asazi ukuthi isafe izombeka kuyiveli abuye esafe ngisho sebuyele ekhaya siyazi ukuthi uzohamba estabuyele ekhaya ephephile. More to that, the issues of the accommodation. When you go to Italy as well, I'll make a reference to Italy. I used to work that side, the events are called. Accommodation, quite certain ukuthi once babona i-line-up, accommodation around will be fully. So I will make a suggestions to you as the event organizers, while promoting into rural and township tourism, Let us step into that space yoku-engage abantu abasemakhaya banama-background ukuthi at least for the weekend abantu mabela eKing Cetshwayo umuntu akwazi ukuboleka the guest room ukuthi bekwazi ukuyisebenzisa even we generating income where else uhleli ngala ku-backroom abantu abaningi bangabuye emakhaya isikhathi esiningi more especially abantu basema-township. So ilawo mhlawumbe umuntu ongathi akawadlulisa. All in all, siyabonga for the opportunity eniyitha eKing Cetshwayo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mutwami, for those wonderful words of support. Mr. Njanase. Yeah, Wellington, over to you.
Sanibonani. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Since I'm a former journalist, and today is a media launch, I'll start by greeting members of the media. Thank you guys for coming through. Specifically all officials, ACONA and all stakeholders. I'm representatives from Omasipala bethu, kade besi-addressa. Mina-ke okwami when it comes to lo mcimbi ezokuxhumana. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ubhuti waka talking on behalf of Umasipala was saying ukuthi this event. So when I was asked by abaphathi bami to sum it up in one sentence, I gave it 2 words. I said, empowering local. That if we singayinikeza islogan kungaba yileso. Because when they were starting to talk about us being part of, as Nibona Janami being a communications manager from around here, and I've been working around here. So, in mandate, Yona leyo is empowering local talent, local businesses, local tourism, and ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu who was talking today touch on that. It's just an event where, so we appreciate for them to have the thought. Let's not give outsiders ukudla kwethu esikutshalayo la eKing Cetshwayo uMhlathuze, but let's us be the ones who benefit from it, and let us share. You know, so many things are going to come out of the event. You know, we were talking about entrepreneurship. It's the same thing. Njengomhlaka-1 kukhona umuntu ngomhlaka-1 othi nje uyabona nje mase ngithole lesa space esincane ngizozenzela ophaya there. And ubhuti abekhuluma about journey ende ukuthi iqala ngaleso step. So nayo entrepreneurship it starts with something small. So we appreciate whoever all involved, nabasazoba involved, to be part of the journey as a summit. So without wasting any time, ngiyacabanga ukuthi now we are going to take questions from those who would want to pose questions to the LOC, which is a local organizing team. Mhlawumbe nama speakers as bekhona who were talking on behalf of our departments athize as of paper. And I must stress, guys, ukuthi as I was reading yonke into about the event, one of the things that was being stressed out was the safety of people, you know, and driving those campaigns or drive safely campaign. I'm a campaign of having a designated driver, all those things, so that kungabi just ukubhiyoza ngomhlaka 21. So ngiyacela usibashele kakhulu ihlombe our organizing committee for thinking of all these things. So members of the media, as well as umphakathi wethu, I am now going to take our questions. Ngicela ukuthi so that singabi naso isixakaxaka isibhukudu. Mhlawumbe we can just do with the show of hands, and then I'll note 1, 2, 3. This is a speaker 5. Banote abafowethu, and then we respond as it was lokhuzana. So izandla sizomsothosi ubhuti uKhal Modise simuzwe sithi number 1 lapha North Coast Radio, sithi number 2 sithi mfowethu number 2 sithi nayi King Tshwayo Radio sithi number 3. Do we have any more hands? Okay, sithi mfowethu la number 4. Ukhal, let me just take your question there as number 1.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon to everybody. I've got 3 questions, if I can be allowed to ask 3 questions, but maybe not all at once. But the first one is, there's very interesting aspects. I would say that this is a local event. I wanted to know, is there a criteria for the local talent that's going to be either performing or participating there? Kakulugazi, I'm looking at Itoyabo MC as one, which is there going to be an opportunity for the local MCs, and what is the criteria? They get an opportunity now to be there. The second question is that, is there going to be any remuneration? In other words, are the artists that are going to perform, are they getting paid? Yeah, that's the second one. The last question is, what are the business opportunities for Umama Desa Makinati? Are there any opportunities at that level for participation? We know we've got businesses where you've got mobile bars, you've got mobile kitchens, and so forth. The equipment that is going to be used, is it locally sourced in as far as the sound system is concerned, and other aspects of tents and catering that normally is associated with these? Thank you.
North Coast Radio, Ukhal Modise. Number 2 was singing over 40. Number 2, they will mfethu. Sishamamisa ngegama lakhe lokukhula nosemhlanje.
Good afternoon to everybody.
Yeah.
I just want to thank you guys for this opportunity and for allowing us to participate. And regarding the local talents, I'm very happy about that. I played a big role in that. Shakes will tell you, Facebook will tell you. A lot of people will tell you, you would even know. Regarding Ikula Arts Center, they had to even close it down because we didn't have any funding. So I'm really happy that you guys actually came through and you brought so much local talent. But another question I'd like to ask you is, this is my area of concern. There are people like abantu bagocini, abantu bagotondot, umuntu wasentambanana. That's also local talent. It doesn't have this opportunity like we have. Like we all know each other by association. You understand? That poster, when it circulates, we all get to see it as local artists. So is there no other way that we could get like counselors involved in the area where umuntu mhlawumbe makuthi uyafisa mhlawumbe le opportunity mhlawumbe ngesayithola?
Bayanotha laba baphathi bami ne. So let's go to U90 as number 3 wethu.
Yes, akubingelele konke umuntu khona bese sibonga nethuba, sibonga kakhulu nabahleli bomcimbi kanjalo nomasipala bethu. Mhlambe umbuzo wokuqala yes ukhaluke ngawuthinta mhlambe ngaba ukuthi nje sibalansa kanjani kuma artist ukuthi ama genders asebenzayo azobe afakwa lapha mhlamba abalance kanjalo ne gender okunjalo kuma-artist ngoba sinama-artist ahlukene. Bese kuthi in terms of i-local businesses lapha in terms of i-permit bayithola kanjani? Khona nabakhokhayo kweminye imicimbi yothola ukuthi ba-apply kwamasipala beyithola i-permit mase kufika kwi-event umnikazi we-event ethi hayi ayize la esandleni kimi. Bese ke before uya kwi-event yosebenza rehearse phela, jima, ungaloku uphefuzela lapho usuphuma ingoma ingakapheli. Siyabona.
So let's say our last question for e-surgeon. Mawuthi khona osacabanga mhlambe will open after sebephendulile, but let's take the last one.
Mhlawumbe umuntu akayibingelele uKing MZ igama lase stage. Mhlawumbe nje nginembuzo emibili. As umuntu osethe kuba umdadlana we-industry kunezinto esesipick up kakhulukazi la kuyi-paperwork bese kuza futhi behind the scenes. Soqala nje le paperwork ukuthi mhlambe abahlonishwa bami yipi indlela abazoyisebenzisa kakhulukazi uma kuyi-local talent indaba ama-payment ukuthi bazoba-categorize yini ngoba phela la kuma-local nakhona sinama-legend. Akwazi ukuthi for the past 10 years or 5 years mhlambe i-legend izoyinika 5,000 rand for the past 5 years or for the past 10 years ilokhu ihleli la but ibe i-profile ikhula. Sesike saba khona la emhlathuze kakhulu ngeke ngaperforma nje I think it was 2018 la ngabizwa khona legendary Chris Walker waseMelika engibiza stage ukuthi with okay alright ukuthi with that profile mase siza kuma payment ukuthi mhlambe kuzomiseka kanjani i-concern yami nje ukuthi mhlambe ngokucategorize kuzomiseka kanjani. But ngifisa ukubuza kubaphathi be-event ukuthi bazoyilungisa kanjani into behind the scenes yongahloniphani kwama-artist plus nabantu abasuke besebenza khona. Ngibonga.
Ngicabanga ukuthi awul phosa lapha kubafowethu ngoba behleli nje bebathathu. Ngicabanga ukuthi oqala sonothile it was a 3-in-1 ka bhodi laphana ukhali about the criteria of local okhethwa kwama-local artist o-MC and everything, and nanokuthi abanye who are not part of it, how are they getting the opportunity. And then owesibili ubuze ngokuthi ukhona yini unketho wasekhuluma futhi about business opportunities for local people, especially vendors and so on. Just to refresh you.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Wellington. Ngokukhulu ukuyithoba nangokuhlonipha siyathanda ukwamukela abafowethu abasijwayele late, which is one of them Mr. Modisi. Ngicabanga ukuthi kube Mr. Modisi ufike early bezoyithola le kodwa ke sengadlula kuyona. Ngicela ukuqala ngale equipment akhulume ngayo o stage o sound amatende asinayo umuntu wa out of umhlathuze o King Letshwayo ozowenza lo msebenzi lo. Umuntu ozowenza lo msebenzi sinelukulu elikhulu nje lokuphendula ukuthi umuntu wala kithi emhlathuze. So we are not shy from answering that ukuthi bese sicela ukuthi ukuyiveza le mhlambe eyama artists ukuthi azokhokhelwa yini. Ngeke ngayiveza ukuthi ku le event noba inama local artist yawo ama local artist, but thina sizuyisebenzisa leli gama elithi local artist. Ba ayangizwa ama artist mangithi we are not going to use igama elithi local artist. Sizogcina ngokuthi silikhuluma ukuthi uyi local artist, but ekwenzeni as a local we want you to feel ukuthi i-event yakho and we totally respect ngendlela efanelekile. sizoba nayo in catering ama-artist so wakhethara futhi azoholelwa ngendlela efanele azohola ngaphezu kokuhola sizoba nemakhi yawo ama-artist ezobe ine-sitting e-right azohlala kahle futhi azobanakela ngendlela e-right kakhulu mhlawumbe kule yokukhetha ama-artist more especially kubo MC mhlawumbe ngicela ukungena kuyona le yokukhetha ngeke ngayisho kuqala ngeke ngathi before sicabane ngoba bengazi ukuthi iyona ebezosixabanisa ngithe before sicabane ngase ngichaza ukuthi sinama-artist amadala nalawa akuyi-level engaphansi nyana bese kuba nalawa asakhulu senza ama-category awu-3 with this event so now asifisi ukuthi ngichazile ukuthi asifisi ukuthi lezi ngane ezisakhula zilinyazwe yithi noma sibulala i-industry yasemhlathuze noma la eRichards Bay sifisi i-industry ukuyenza ukuthi iqhubeke with great support and also ikhule futhi now sikwenza kanjani lokho sikwenza ngendlela ukuthi ke abantu ababona ukusebenza ngiyaxolisa ukwenza example ukusebenza kuka Jumping Castle njengoba wonke umuntu nje mayibona athi Jumping Castle abona ukusebenza kwakhe embone ese-stage ethe esalapha athi yena naye nami ngiyafisa ukufika kwi-level ka-Jumping Castle asifisi ukuthi ke sibona uJumping Castle ekhula ehlanganisa kwamthatha almost 5 to 6 years to build Jumping Castle awuyena namhlanje bese sizobulala ingane ngenxa yokuthi saziyazana noSiyanzima sithatha from lapha ngoba nakhe yaziwa uSiyanzima from at a zero experience and it's not working hard position noma level bese sithatha sivele sisukumisa sithi woza ngoba siyayibulala so bese siyibulala nekho it otherwise omunye umuntu angathi simbulala kanjani ngoba simnikeza opportunity kunendawo la angadlulanga khona la abanye sebadlule kuzona why sigcizelela lesifuna ukuthi ingane zikhule ngendlela e-right will give opportunity to them ngendlela e-right futhi nezotho ezokwazi ukuthi ibakhulise nabanye ngicabanga ukuthi sengiphendulile le khona enye futhi engaphenduleka eka Mr Modise
sibingelele DJ wami sefika ukuya ku-question yakho firstly idokunjani ajwayela amakhosi angikwazi ukukhuluma ngihleli phansi ngihloniphe indaba yama-local hookers ukuthi kuzokwenzakala kanjani ukona sizokukhuluma lokho nomasipala ukuthi sibahlanganisa kanjani siba-accommodate kanjani how do you make them because into emphasize kakhulu ukuthi abantu bendawo bangayigcini besafarisha if ukuthi fanele bakhokha kwamasipala le nto abayikhokha fanele bakhokha kwamasipala but kumele siyenze ibe half noma ukuthi bayikhokha kuthina kumele siyenze ibe half bekwazi ukudayisa because into ebalekile fanele benze profit so sizokuzama ke lokho ngoba akusiyo yodwa le line up ekhona it's just a line up based on ama thoughts ethu ukuthi laba bakhona laba bama-local laba bakulesi stage but sisazoba nama further engagements there so many people abasele but nesikhathi esinaso sincane i-line up ngisho iqala ngo-12 angithi fike kuthiwa ngo-12 DJ wami akangene athi ngeke so uma sithi siqala ngo-12 kuze kushayele kunjani khona abanye abagcine belimala into engiyibona ezokwazi ukuba ne-opportunity eningi ngoba iqala ekuseni vele by 8 o'clock so sekugcwele ebhishi iyona ezokwazi ukuthi ilekelele wonke umuntu abanye ama-activation mhlawumbe sisazoba namathought mhlawumbe sithi ukuna kathi ukuhlanganisa iy'pikha zakhe esikhaweni sifake 3 lapho ukuthi usungenile wakhokhelwa lapho awusiza ukudlala kwi-main poster but kwi-main poster uzokukhona we want to make sure the main poster now will be proud. And another thing, each and every one of you, we must be very proud about your work that you have done up to this far. Your name means you.
Thank you for that. Ngizomnotha because angithi umbokazi ngicabanga kodwa ukuthi you are covered with your answer there. Ucover shele answer number 3. Ngeke lahlule lokho bese ngiyathinta lapho bizo.
Angibingelele ngicela ukudlulisa kule yama vendors. Akuwona wonke umuntu ozokwazi ukudayisa afike lapha kungavele kugcwala igram sinama vendors nje kuphela. Bengicela ukuthi omasipala bobabili ngokubambisana ngoba banayo indlela yokwazi ukuyisebenza. Umhlathuze ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona obabunzabe ngapha bakhona nangala iKing Cetshwayo futhi abakwa environmental lo Mamo Road. Mhlambe yenziwe through ama publications akhona ukuthi abafisa ukuzodayisa ngalo lasuku lolya bazokwenza kanjani. Then they go through i-training yakhona bathola ama permit. Kuleyo ukuthi ke abantu abangaki mhlawumbe kuzofuneka i-discusswe ukuthi kuzoba abantu abangaki abazokwenza lokho bese kuba ukuthi ubani osefikile eqala wakwazi ukuthi a-register. So sibalekela ukuthi abantu kufanele beyithole i-training because asifuni ukuthi ngosuku olulandelayo ukuthi abantu baphathwe izisu ugule kwenzakalani lapha yana bese siyahluleka ukuyitracer ukuthi obani kade bedayisa lapho. So asiyenze ngendlela yokuthi siyenza via omasipala laba ababili esikubona ngokubambisana kube nalawo ma training. I understand ukuthi angazi kodwa bazoyenza njani kodwa ngiyazi kulama training lawo ikhona imali ekhokhwayo khona yokwenza ama training. Le training lesuke izokwenziwa ukuze bekwazi ukuthola ama permit. Kodwa bengisacela ukuthi idedelwe kumasipala kube yona ibona abayi coordinator leyo ukuze ikwazi ukuluseka kahle. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi abaphathi bethu they are noting that sabonga mfethu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mfethu uphendulekile umbuzo wakho. Okay. I know to there Mr. Budese. Ukuma about indaba yokukhokhelwa nanokuthi kuzoba namakhatha ngiyacabanga ukuthi uphendulele very clear. Omunye ngiyacabanga ukuthi the upcoming artist workshop is one of the things ezokwazi ukuthi ba-equipe futhi ama-local artists with the knowledge and training. As we said, it's not just about umhlaka 31. That is why we are excited and happy ukuthi it's something that is brewed locally for local. Because mangabe uqedwa umhlaka 31 uyaqala umhlaka 2026 neyinkinga zawo, but at least when as an artist you are empowered with information moving forward. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi singadlula from there sibele kuwena Mr. Mugisa. I saw your hand was up.
No,
bese after you nginothe nanga umuntu wamahlathi.
No, Danke. This is my second question. I just wanted to find out from the city of Mfatuzi and King Cetshwayo district, how much money have they committed to this project? How much money have they committed to this project?
No, guys, thank you very much. With that, now umuntu uyafisa ukudlulisa ukuthi njengoba thina sisaseyingxoxweni with both municipalities and also I think that one izokwazi ukuthi irevealwe kahle umasipala wase-Hlathuze nomasipala wase-King Cetshwayo. Remember, there are still gonna be IDP road shows where they show ukuthi ke kukhona amount engaka ebekele, but thina okwethu kwamanje was still in discussion ukuthi sikwazi ukufaka our own documents and also sikwazi ukuthi bakwazi usilekelela babone ukuthi into engakanani abazosilekelela ngapho.
Thank you for that, Mr. Modise. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi it was a burning question, not just when. It's always a burning question if you come in from a newsroom. Abantu abaningi. Probably that was going to be my first question. But again, now sitting here as communication, kunezinto that uMhlathuze Sunset Festival can declare, and then there are things ukuba sesiyajapa yegani and sesi-insulta abaphathi abakhulu if we now declare that. Siyabonga for them to willingness to commit, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi futhi as Mr. Nziba was saying ukuthi it's an open thing that will be declared once the time is right and once all talks and all legalities have been finalized. So ngicela ukuthi sidlulele kunanya uNhlaka phezulu lapha.
Everyone. No, Obama is very simple, Jay. And we can't put it straightforward. We can't to see you as credit LOC for organizing such a huge event and be fairly inclusive. You know, I was looking at the list and the history as a King Cetshwayo, Hlathuze, you'd find certain names that you should when I post the owners with Suga. And now even the platform with you know, it means it's the people who understand by artists. Furthermore, they must be included. So just to give the credit to our friends coming.
Siyabonga lapha uNhlaka. If kungekho any more questions, ngiyacabanga ukuthi you've been sitting here for, I can now just take just last ones and then sikwazi ukumove. I'm sure none of you guys are exhausted. Sifuna ukuya emakhaya. I think ukuthi now it's like almost 4 o'clock. Abemasiyivala ngo4 sesenze yonke into. I'm noting you there. Katufahamiseni. Yes.
Bengaba right ukuthi ube umphakathi oyithusela wona ama-artist as isitho of Hlathuze ngoba kunabantu uzoyohlamba kwezinye indawo bethatha ngokugani kwazana kunabantu
Sinikezeni ithuba.
kanti kunabantu abafihlekile sithola ukuthi bezobe ukwa kude mhlawumbe komandeni Durban kodwa bahlala khona
Sinikezeni ithuba bafethu.
kade babakhona la bathi bagcina sebebhukwa kwezindaweni ey'kude sesibadiscover ey'ndaweni ey'kude kuthola ukuthi la eCostello umbona umuntu uthathwa kakhulu ko-All Black baseStenga kodwa wakhona like why ingaphumi like because abantu bekhethele bona ama-artist ukuthi no thina nawe umuntu esimbona ukuthi like engakwazi ukusimela lapha indawo yangakithi.
Noted. Ngicela ukuthi ngabe ngisabula la. Mangabe bephendula ozalo bethu umfowethu uzobesenza top thanks siyabonga kakhulu ngama questions zenu uzorespond umfowethu uzobesenza. Hello usali.
Yeah, siyayizwa ikhuluma yakho my brother. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi as per ilokhunjani sizokwenza ngokwama-ward uma senza ama-activations. Ngesasithola isikhathi sokuthola umphakathi wonke. Angithi umphakathi orepresenta ikhansela, umphakathi orepresenta ama-ward committees. Then nina nireporter as umphakathi kulabo bantu. Thina babekelwe khona lokho vele ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basinike i-guideline when it comes to abantu bomphakathi. Ngicela phenduleka sesivala bengicela since vele kwi-event yethu sonke le sizokwenza yonke into. Sicela Mr. Tep nosihamba nabo basilungisele abantu abadala kuqala laphana phezulu khoneni bazobona bazofifani ukuze sizokwazi ukuqhubeka nabanye sithu. Sicela siqalela ngokuqala nabantu abadala besenzele ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu ukufika kwenu. Siyanithanda i-event eyenu bese singaqala siyiphushe. Thank you so much. Siyabonga.
Hayi ke sengibuyile. I hope nibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Nanke ningakhohlwa ukuthenga amathikithi enu. Sihlangane khona phela ngomhla ka-31 December kuya kumhla ka-1 wonyaka ozayo. Ngesingisi ke bayibethi be there or miss out. Mina ngithi wozani sijabula sonke noma ke woza nabangani bakho. Let us not forget to give credit where it's due. Thank you Wellington Mangwangwa and King Cetshwayo. Ningakhohlwa ke ukuchofa usubscribe phinde futhi ucomment ngezansi. Thina siyingwebu media. Hlala nathi uningi siza nakho.